Yeah. This is part 2. Yeah, basically right here, normally I have to climb and there'd be ice and everything. But this year, looks like it's dried up. Right here, you'd have to, I did last year, there was like ice you could walk on. There's like a branch. And if you slipped, you're fucking fucked. My bad, PG. My bad. See, like if that happened, if it happened to me, you slipped, you're going in. Well, it's not that deep, but still, you don't want to go in very stinky water. Let's see. I've been back here at least 10 times, or I've been here near the river area. Wait, there's water. Wait, there's water. I think. Guys, there's water. Oh, shit. There is, okay. As you can hear, there's ice. So there is a little bit of water left. Shit, okay, wait. Can you hear the crack? Wait. Now, as you can see, right there, I just cracked the ice in. So there's still water left, which is good. So there, over here, wait, let me just, I've been walking on ice. Oh shit, I thought it fucking, PG. Oh my, the entire way. I want to retrace my steps to see where, oh my, I've been walking on ice this entire time. That just shows how fucking heavy and sturdy. This ice truly is. Oh my gosh. I thought it was just all. Wait, I'm gonna go back here and see if it's. Oh my. This entire time. This entire time, I have been walking on ice. I think that's, oh my, is it here too? See, it's just so sturdy that you don't even notice. But that's also very dangerous at the same time. So, actually, all the way, I'm gonna say, to here. The ice starts from right here and all the way over there. It's just froze over. You could walk on it, it's completely safe, I promise. Hell, you can even go ice skating on this. I've done it once. Not too good at it, but once I've done it on this. So yeah. And then about the other video, I'll show you the waterfall today, tomorrow. The one that I fell in. Look at that. Okay, well. Oh my, that's amazing. That's not very good. So yeah, as you can see, I'm still following the tracks. And the tracks just ended. Or no, actually there's not end. And I think the ice ended. Yeah, I'm trying. Rock. Right here. We have Axnar. But it's gone. So yeah, like I said on my shorts, I have to move to long-term videos. And then it looks like someone's been here. And this house over there, and if I can try to make a fort. And then this is right near the street. I don't know if you can see this. It's a tree, and there's barbed wire. Who put this barbed wire in a tree? So, obviously, the foxes have been over here. And yeah, so I don't know exactly where the footsteps are anymore, but yeah. So, anyways, yeah, I think I will head back, and then pick this video back up there. Stay safe, stay healthy, peace.